Baby, so amudi yamahla ohle ubane uile lina mubupilo mbaka bitwaleile impayena avalina. Timeless in worship. Hello, this is Marinyane Mukheti again on another episode of Timeless in worship. Today I only have one single message for you, man. Can you guess what message I have for you? I just want to say Merry Christmas, man. I want you to enjoy your time with your families, man, because it is Christmas. Christmas is time for families to gather around. Christmas is time for lovers to be together. It is time for people to enjoy and celebrate the remembrance of Jesus Christ, man. So make sure that, man, you don't do anything that is illegal, because I don't want you to end up in jail, man. I want to see you every single day tuning into Timeless in worship. So make sure that you enjoy this festive season with responsibility, man. Again, all of you, my friends, who have been supporting me, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your family. Until next time, bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to press subscribe if it is your first time to be on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.